Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new tutorial video. And in this video,
we will learn how to make a death screen in Roblox Studio. So first in Roblox Studio, open the game that you want to add a death screen into. After that, navigate to the toolbox section, and from here you have to type death screen. Now you'll find a lot of death screen scripts in here. You can just choose any one of them. I'll select the first one, which is really good. Left click on it. Now from here click on OK. After that, a folder will appear with all the necessary files and a readme folder file. You can read it to properly understand how to install it, but I'll just show you. So firstly, you have to drag and drop death screen and revive text in the starter GUI folder. So I'll just drag them and take them into the starter GUI folder. The respawn RE will go to the replicated storage. So I'll drag it to the replicated storage. The respawn server will go to the server script service. So select it and then drag it to the server scripts storage. So these are all the files that you have to copy in order to make this work. So now click on the play button, and now let's reset our character. Now you'll see that the death screen has appeared. You have to left click to restart your heart. After that, you will respawn. You can change all the text in here, like this one. I don't know what to put here. So that's how you can add a death screen in your Roblox game.
thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.